How to perform an advanced printhead alignment on the HP PageWide XL Pro printer series. Go to the Optimize Printing Quality button on the front panel and open the Advanced Calibration tab. Then, select Advanced Manual Printhead Alignment and press Continue. You will need to have paper with the proper width. If you do not have this, you can press Generate Sheets to create sheets at the proper width. Next, select the type of media you're going to print on: roll, flexible sheet, or rigid sheet. Press Continue and the printer will now print the first test plot. Once the test plot has been printed, select the best alignment option for each case. Look for which option shows the smoothest transitions for the best results. Repeat these steps 3 more times to select the best alignment options for each color. Once you finish calibrating the final color, press Finish and your calibration will be complete.